In this short tutorial, I will show you how to share a playlist on YouTube. Sharing a playlist is a great way to recommend multiple videos at once, making it convenient for others to watch all the content you've curated. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile application and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll see the playlist section. Just tap on the View All button to view all of the playlists you've created on YouTube. Tap and select a playlist that you want to share. Now you'll see the Share button. If you don't see this button, make sure that you've set the privacy of the playlist to public. Just tap on it. Now you have the ability to share this specific playlist on various social media platforms. You can also copy the link of this playlist and paste it anywhere you want. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.